There's been uproar in the assembly over there as the BJP moved a resolution against the Pakistan National Assembly resolution on Afzal Guru. Remember, the Panthers Party and the BJP had earlier expressed their desire to press for a resolution in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly against the resolution in the Pakistan National Assembly with regards to Afzal Guru, putting the present National Conference government and Umar Abdullah government rather in a tight spot, because remember, both the NC and the PDP have been expressing their desire to put pressure on the centre over the issue of Afzal Guru and sending his body back to Kashmir. Shujaul Haq, our correspondent, is now joining us with more details. Shuja, those scenes in the assembly on expected lines, really.
Well, that's right. Pretty expected. This thing was right from the very beginning. The Jammu MLAs, members of Panthers Party and BJP, once again creating a ruckus in the assembly, demanding that the assembly should pass a resolution which should be seen as a counter to what Pakistan has done over the Afzal Guru issue. However, the assembly has had its own point of view on it. The speaker on Saturday has said that no such resolution can be passed. There were members from the government who stood up, and including from the Congress party, who stood up and said that the assembly does not have a jurisdiction to pass a resolution on something which has been done in another country. And the fact that in Jammu and Kashmir is a part of the country, and country has passed resolution in the parliament, there is no need to pass any such resolution in the state. So that having been the stated position of the government, the opposition does not seem to be budging on it, and what we are witnessing today in the assembly is a protest that has been organized by the members of BJP and Panthers Party, who have been demanding that a resolution over this issue should be made. Clearly, the government on a very sticky wicket here, on a tight spot here. But it was from the PDP side who were demanding an Afzal Guru, or Afzal Guru's body should be returned back, and resolution should be passed on that. And now it is BJP who is demanding absolutely opposite to that.
All right, uproarious scenes there in the Jammu Kashmir Assembly. Shujaul Haq, many thanks for getting us all those details.